Hi, I'm Frank Blakeley, Area Sales Manager of Legacy Circle at Bay Equity Home Loans. So it wouldn't be a January without predicting or giving some estimates of what's going to happen in this upcoming year. So what I want to do is bring back last year one of our experts, Barry Habib, and you can see some of the things that he's forecasted in, but he's the guy that we go to, a lot of people in the mortgage industry, to get a forecast on what's happening with stocks, bonds, where interest rates are going. And we're going to go over what he predicted last year and what he's predicting for 2019 when it comes to interest rates, housing, and things that we need to know. So obviously, me being in the mortgage industry as a loan originator, I have to talk about interest rates. So the first thing is he predicted that interest rates would go up 0.375 to 0.5% last year, and they did. He also predicted that housing appreciation would be 4.5% to 5%, and it was. Obviously, in some parts of the country, it was more than that, and in some parts of the country, it was right on. But nationally, we're right on that number. Since we covered 2018 predictions and how Barry was spot on with these, let's go over what he's saying about 2019. So first off, the stock market. We've seen the last couple months get pummeled with stocks going down, but he expects that there's going to be a rebound, and the year will end up 5 to 8% higher than it is right now. And that's a good thing for those in real estate, because if portfolios are looking better, well, people are feeling a lot more comfortable about buying a home. Now, when it comes to interest rates, we're gonna break this up into two different categories. So one is the federal funds rate. So that has to deal with home equity lines, your credit cards, things like that. The feds were expected, and they've said that they're gonna raise interest rate, the prime rate, 2 to 3 more times in 2019. Well, Barry actually thinks they're gonna raise it 1 time, which is a great thing for us. Now, as far as long-term interest rates, like 30-year fixed, he does expect those to go up another 0.375 in a range of 5 to 5.5%. So if you're thinking about refinancing or you're thinking about buying a home, the cost is still really good right now before that happens. So now when it comes to housing, I know there's a lot of people out there saying that there's gonna be a bubble or a crash. Well, I hate to break it to you, Barry doesn't agree with that. He actually expects to see housing go up again at 3.5 to 4% appreciation by year's end. And why could that be? Well, if the stock market's going up 5 to 8%, if interest rates raise, that's because the economy is doing better. You just take those two factors, which means people are probably buying. So there you go, there's the 2019 predictions. But just like anything else, if you find the right house at the right price, or you're working with the right professional to manage your stocks, manage your mortgage, well, you're probably always gonna be in a good position. But if you have any questions or need some references in any of those areas, let me know, I'd be happy to help you out.